Hey, what's up fellas, it's your boy Gad coming again with another video, and today I thought about doing a vlog unboxing. So I don't know if you guys still remember, but I used to work at a gas station. I was a manager there, but I no longer work there. I work at a new company called Retail Marketing Service, and I'm a technician there. So I still receive my packages over there, so we're gonna go get it and see what we got. Let's go fellas. So Henry, alright guys, so here it is. Now let's go check what's inside and see you there. Alright guys, so we just made it back to the spot, and now let's get this unboxing going. And I don't know if I'll be making a lot of Menlo Club videos like I used to, but I'll be doing them for my favorite month, which is New Republic and Grand IC. And maybe if I see something that is coming out that is something cool, then I'll probably, get something. But you could also pause it, and that's a good thing because you could pause it for like 3 months. And one of the reasons why I still been a member for this long is because I enjoy getting that 25% off and the free shipping from New Republic and the Menlo House. And they always have this crazy ass sales, and if you remember, you just get them for like $8-10, and I'll be getting a lot of clothes. And that's how I stay looking good and sharp. But with that being said, let's see what we got. Which is, I know, some slides, shirt, and some shorts, which is useful for this summer because it is so hot. As you guys notice, I'm getting a little bit darker, which is fine because everything looks better when you're darker skinned. Ooh, okay, I see. So far we have this Grand AC hat, put it to the side, and we got this powder. They did a collaboration with Liquid IV, and I can't wait to test this out because I'd be getting dehydrated with my new job. Being out there working in the sun ain't no joke. Got that out of the way, and here are the slides. I was so excited for this month's package because of the slides, and I actually got them. Just hope they fit, because usually on slides I am a size 10, and on sneaker I am a size 9, which does say size 15. Oh man, I don't think they're gonna fit. Oh man, oh, we'll still give it a try. Alright, so here are the shorts, and I really do love the Grand AC shorts, and these ones are actually really nice. And we have this shirt that feels almost like a sweatshirt, but what I like about this shirt that it actually has some pockets on the sides. Nope. Usually all the Grand AC shirts have like a little kangaroo pocket, which I like, but this shirt is actually nice. This is cool. And just so you guys can see, these are the Grand AC shorts. I actually love these shorts. So to get some other shorts, it's actually pretty cool, guys. So this is pretty much it. So yeah guys, if you guys want to save like 70% off on your first package, remember there's a link in the description where you can go check it out. I'll be doing this monthly unboxing not every month now, but every like 3 to 2 months. And check out my Instagram that I've been posting a lot lately too. And guys, there is more content coming out. I know I haven't been posting, but I've been working my butt off to give you some really good, cool content. I've been spending like 4 or 5 hours just learning on my editing skills, and things are coming out nice. But anyways guys, like always, it's your boy Gabs. Peace.